Hey friends, welcome back. So one of my favorite sandwiches is a plant-based sandwich. Now, I'm going to place a link to that on this video. But my second favorite sandwich is a avocado and candied bacon sandwich. Now, I'll make a video for that later too, but today I'm going to show you how I make this super addictive candied bacon. So first we want to preheat our oven to 375. Grab our spices. We're going to have a fourth teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and a half a teaspoon of black cracked pepper. And then we're going to grab our brown sugar. Now, if your brown sugar is like mine, it is rock hard in the cabinet. And I'll link a video to show you how you can soften your brown sugar as well. Now just go ahead and get that mixed up well and get everything mixed in there. Just like so. Now, you guys, this is made better if you use the thick cut bacon, but I was making another recipe, so I had to get thin, but only difference is you're going to have to adjust your cook time. So just go ahead and spread your mixture all over your bacon and just make sure that it's fully covered. And then also, guys, if you see that silpat under there, it's a mat that you can cook on. If you don't have one, get one. That's all I got to say. But go ahead and get everything pat it down nicely. And see, fully covered. And then we're going to put this in the oven, the thin cut, for 20 minutes to start. And that's it. You guys check it. You might have to put it back in if you like it a little crispier, but yeah, that's it. It's so yummy. So guys, go ahead and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications because you'll want to come back when I make that sandwich. All right, bye-bye.